Salam! Today we're going to be making a Desi salad, Kachumber. For some reason, Desis don't really eat salad. And at restaurants, often they just put a piece of lettuce with red onion on top. Like, why? No one eats that. Please stop doing that. Anyways, Kachumber is eaten as an accessory to add freshness to a meal rather than by itself. You're gonna need 1 red onion sliced, 1 roma tomato diced, 4 to 6 Thai green chilies sliced, half a bunch of cilantro chopped, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and salt. You can also add some diced cucumbers too if you'd like. In a bowl, add the red onion, tomato, Thai green chilies, cilantro, lemon juice, and salt, and mix together. Cover and place in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours. The salt will draw out moisture from the veggies and mix into the sour lemon juice. Bismillah! I'm not really a fan of salads, and to be honest, this one doesn't really change my opinion. However, Kachumber is really good for snacking alongside more meatier dishes. It gives a nice fresh break and gives you an excuse that you're eating healthier.